Welcome to our Camper YouTube channel. I am starting a new series in which I am going to share what all items we carry in our camper van. In today's episode, I am going to show what all items we have in our camper van's kitchen. So I will go through each one of these items in detail and explain. We carry kitchen utensils, few spoons, forks, serving spoons, and barbecue and grilling utensils. We carry pots and pans and aluminium foil. In the cutlery section, we have cutting board, knife, scissor and peeler. We carry reusable plastic cups and porcelain mugs for hot beverages. There are a few plastic plates, reusable plastic plates and paper plates as well, and a egg carrier. We carry food temperature measuring thermometer also. All the utensils and cutlery items are packed inside the box and kept on the racks inside the camper van. We carry 4 boxes of spice and sauce. In this box we keep sauce packs which we use to cook pasta and noodles. Little bit of olive oil in the green bottle and the red can as the regular oil, and blue cap box as the jaggery powder, and fruit jam for kids. We carry lemon rice powder, tomato rice powder to make quick rice items. We carry tea bags and milk powder to make coffee or tea. We carry a little bit of ragi flour as well. In this box we keep spices, all put in separate container, and each one of them has small spoons inside the container, so it is easy to use the spices while we are cooking. So we have red chili powder, salt, ginger powder and other spices. In the third box we keep noodles and pasta. These are used when we are hungry and we want something quickly made. For cooking we use induction stove plugged into the inverter inside the camper van. This one allows us to do barbecue, and we carry a little bit of coal. Barbecue is kept outside the camper van when we are camping, and we cook rice and other items inside the van using induction stove. We carry water, drinking water in the water can, and fill it to the small bottles and use whenever required. We keep some of the bottles in the Coleman box. There is a pump on top of the big water bottle. With the touch of a button we can fill the water bottles, and it's very convenient to use. Last but not least, we carry some of the cleaning utilities. We keep water in a spraying bottle and vessel washing liquid in another spraying bottles. We carry scrubber, few tissue papers. All the boxes are kept inside the van in the racks. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please click the like button and subscribe. I'm going to add some more videos on what items we carry inside our camper van. Thanks for watching.